Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use Roblox FPS Unlocker. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Normally Roblox FPS is blocked at 60 FPS. So first things first, you want to go to this GitHub website. Once you're on this website, you want to go over on the right hand side of the screen. There should be a copy button right here. Go ahead and click on that and you'll have copied all this text out here. Now once you have copied it, you want to go to your desktop. And once you're on your desktop, go ahead and right click. And then you want to go ahead and look for new. And once you find new, you go ahead and open a text document. It's going to open right here. And once you have it right here, you want to name it client app settings.json. Make sure you put the .json right there. Once you do that, it's going to open right here. You want to go ahead and double click on it. It'll open right here. And you want to Control V and paste all the text you just copied. So in this text right here, the cap for the first is at the very top right here. You can change this to whatever you think the best fit for your PC is. So mine would be about 240, but it might be different for you. You are going to want to open Roblox file location. So you want to look for Roblox player. So go ahead and search for it in the search bar down here. And once you find it, you're going to want to go ahead and right click on it and then click open file location. Once you open the file location from here, you want to go ahead and find it again and then click the open file location. Now once you're here, you're going to want to go ahead and add a new file to the Roblox player. So go ahead and right click anywhere on the page right here. And you want to go over down to new and you want to add a folder. Once you add a new folder, you're going to want to go ahead and add it as client settings. Once you do that, you can click off it and it'll save right here. Now that you have that right here, you're going to want to go ahead and grab the client app settings.json and drag it into the client settings just like that. So it might drop down right here. You want to drag it into the client settings or the client app settings. .json is now in the client settings. So you might run into a couple problems while you're doing this. So here are a couple of the major problems you'll run into. So first, you're going to want to make sure that you spell everything the exact same way that I spelt it. So if it's not working right now, go back through the video and watch it over again and make sure that everything's spelled correctly. Second, you want to make sure that your JSON file is actually a JSON file and not a text document. So that's basically how you can use Roblox FPS Unlocker. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.